Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a big news of the day, I would say, is a hacker group that says that they found a simple way to activate any Microsoft software, Office and Windows, easily, and that more details are going to come soon. So, there has always been some ways of activating Windows, activating Office over the years. Most people that are tech enthusiasts that know a lot more about computers and software than the average user know that there are things out there available that do that. And one of the things that it does is that it's always a little tricky, a little, like a risky thing, because it's often software you download and then that software does something and you're not really sure what it does. Anyways, and a X post on Mass Gravel user, there it says this is the largest breakthrough in Windows Office privacy ever. A solution that will be available in the coming months. Stay tuned for updates. And they are mentioning that the licensed software is actually activated very easily, and it works well. It would work with all the way back to Windows 7. And it would be the largest blow, I think, to the licensing model that Microsoft has ever, if this is true, as we still don't have any proof of concept. But one of the things that is going to be interesting to look at is what will Microsoft's response be, as the fact that you can easily, if this goes out and that people start learning how easily you can activate Windows, activate Office, a lot of people will be tempted to bypass the fact that you should buy it. They'll just download and activate themselves, and that will be a blow to Microsoft right now. So we'll see what happens next. Definitely something important and something that Microsoft will surely tackle and see if things are going to change. So the hackers have won now, but Microsoft might reply back with some new form of activation that will just make it impossible again, or make it more difficult, because it's never impossible to illegally activate Windows and Office products. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.